In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a weather notification workflow in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's jump right in. First things first, we need to find the right app for our weather notifications. To do this, open up your Slack application. Once there, look to the left sidebar where you'll find the menu. Click on Apps and Workflows. This will show you a list of available apps that you can integrate with Slack. In the search bar, type in Forecast. This is the app that will help you get real-time weather updates directly in your Slack channels. You should see the Forecast app pop up in your search results. Click on it to open its listing. Once you're on the app's page, locate the button that says Add to Slack and click on it. This will initiate a brief setup process. They'll direct you to the app's website, where you'll need to click Add to Slack one more time. Next, you'll be prompted to authorize the necessary permissions for the app. It's always a good idea to review these permissions to ensure they align with what you're comfortable allowing. The app will need access to post weather updates in your workspace. When you're ready, click Allow, and that will grant the necessary permissions. Now we've got the app set up, and it's time to start using it. Head back to any Slack channel or send a direct message to create your first weather inquiry. In the message box, type out the command forecast, followed by the location for which you want to receive the weather updates. For example, you could type /forecast Texas. Once you've entered your command, press enter to send it. Now, here comes the exciting part. The Forecast app will respond almost instantly with the current weather conditions and the temperature for the location you've specified. It's a quick and efficient way to stay updated on the weather without leaving your Slack workspace. But wait, there's more. Along with the basic temperature and conditions, you'll see daily forecast cards for the week ahead. Each card might represent a different day, like Friday or Saturday. If you want to know more details about the daily forecast, just click on those cards. They will expand to show you additional information, including the high and low temperatures for each day. So there you have it. You've successfully built a workflow in Slack to receive weather notifications, making it a great tool to stay informed about changing weather conditions without having to look anything up outside of your work conversation. Remember, by utilizing the Forecast app, you can keep your team informed about any weather-related plans or concerns, maintaining smooth communication within your workspace. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing your experience with Slack and other productivity tools. Thanks for watching,